Good morning, students. Welcome back to this recorded session. Today, kids, we have something special to do, as always. As you can see here, kids, we have a little different presentation for today. And yes, I will change this one each unit, right? So when we change the unit, I will change the presentation too. So in this case, we have the language acquisition classes for your grade. And I hope that you enjoy it. This class is very special because we will start these classes with the conditionals. And the conditionals are very important in each case because if we want to make or if we want to say something that is hypothetical, so we can use some conditionals. But in short words, I will explain you one by one. So in this case, we will have to learn about the zero conditional. And firstly, we have to talk about if. Okay, what is if? It's a new word for you maybe. But this word is very important because we have to start by using it when we want to make the conditionals. So let's talk about if. And when we use the word if, it is to make conditional sentences. Okay, but what are conditionals? And to express that something is true, so we have different conditionals. We have the zero conditional, we have the first conditional, the second conditional, and the third conditional. But the third conditional, we use it to express something that is true. So we use zero conditional, and the structure is as it follows, it says. So we have if plus simple present plus simple present. Okay, one more time. If plus simple present. So we have two type of sentences. We have the if clause and the main clause. I mean, you have the if sentence and the main sentence. And all of them are divided by a comma. Now, as you can see here, one more time, we have the structure. And we have it here. So the example is, if you cross an international date line, the time changes. If you cross an international date line, the time changes. Okay, so we have the beginning, the word if. Okay, so it means see. Okay, my dears? Now, the simple present, the sentence is in present. You cross an international deadline. It's in simple present. Now we have the separation after that. We have the comma. The time changes. Okay? Pretty simple. You just have to write the if plus the sentence, comma, and the sentence. And as I was telling you, we have two type of clauses, the if clause and the main clause. And what happened here, kids? We can change the word if by using when. For example, we have here, when you cross an international deadline, the time changes. We have a short explanation about the zero conditional here. And as it says, if represents condition and the main clause represents the result. Okay, for example, if you heat water at 212 Fahrenheit, so it will boil, right? Or it boils in this case. It boils. If you heat water at 212 grades Fahrenheit, it boils. What boils? The water. So the result always happens, kids. Remember, you cannot make the if sentence if we don't have a result because we are not finishing the sentence. One more time. If you heat water at 100 centigrades, I mean Celsius, like in Ecuador, so what happens with the water? It boils. Okay, as you can see, it's the temperature is going up. And also, as I was telling you at the beginning, we have three different types of conditionals. and each type consists in two parts. Okay, don't forget it. We have the if clause, that it is the hypothesis, and the main clause, which shows the result of the hypothesis. For example, we have another one. If if he wakes up late, he will miss the bus. Another example of the zero conditional. If I don't have any exam, I play soccer. I play soccer. There is a mistake in this sentence. I want to know what is a mistake. Okay, so then you tell me in regular classes. I have a video about this in order to summarize the class. Okay, so look at it. This is about zero conditional tense. Okay, my dears, I hope that you enjoy the class because we finished. Thank you, my kids, and bye bye.